What do I eat if I can't handle any more khichdi? So during the cleanse, many people do get tired of eating khichdi, and that's okay. One, that gives us an indication of Agni, of what is going on between Agni and the toxins, or what we call Ama in Ayurveda. So sometimes what can happen is we'll get these cravings based on Ama as well. So if you can push through and have khichdi during your cleanse, it's fantastic. But if you can't, then there are substitutes that you can do. You can have just plain rice. You can make just the mung dal by itself so it feels like you're having a soup. You can separate both of them. You can even have puffed rice, which is called poha. It's a flattened dried rice, and then when you cook it, it's very easy to digest as well. So that's another way to eat as well. Or sometimes people cannot handle rice, so we'll even substitute things like quinoa in there. As the modifications happen, then digestion also gets impeded a little bit because things are a little bit harder to digest. So there are modifications that you can make, but khichdi is the best because it helps with Agni and just kind of keeping everything nice and easy.